Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new Valorant tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to allow firewall on Valorant. Firstly, you have to go to the control panel. Now go to Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on Advanced Settings. Now you have to go to Inbound Rules. After going into Inbound Rules, you have to find Riot Games. In Riot Client, double click and allow the connection. Do this to all 4 of the Riot client. After you have allowed all of them, there shouldn't be no problem and Valorant will be allowed in your firewall. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.